are here to assassinate us. They are here to kill us because we are black.
Maybe because it isn't the first time an unarmed black man has been gunned down by cops. If it hadn't been taped, King probably would have been just another black man brutalized by the cops.
The skin color varies mainly due to the production of a pigment called melanin. A study showed that about 6 million years ago, when chimpanzees and humans first began to separate and speculate, the common ancestor of these two species had white skin with black fur. In the next few million years, our human ancestors left the rainforest and settled in African savannas. But they were exposed to more sunrise than ever before. The extreme sensitivity of the human brain to the heat change has pushed our ancestors into a very special adaptation. At this point, humans found comfort in sweating. In turn, the human body began to shed fur. The reason for this was that they were no longer necessary. It remained only in sensitive or important areas that need to be protected. It is also cited by some scientists as the reason for sexual selection. Less hairy individuals are preferred in this selection. Hair loss also caused a new problem: the sun's rays. Sun rays triggered the formation of folate molecules that prevent or damage sperm formation in the body. These molecules caused nerve cord damage when they passed through the mammary glands to human offspring. Our ancestors had to protect themselves from these sun rays, so they had no choice but to adapt to these folate molecules. In order to achieve this adaptation, human skin has evolved to a darker color. Unlike our clothes, having white skin absorbed the sun rays, whereas dark skin blocked them. Later, when our humanitarian ancestors crossed the Indian Ocean and started to migrate to the north, they began to need more sunlight. They went through the same adaptation process and evolved into white skin. So they started to collect the sparse sun rays that fall on long winter days and produce the vitamin D they need. This diversity created by our ancestors is a hereditary feature and has continued to maintain its diversity until today. These skin colors, which are the result of an evolution of million years, do not define any superiority or status. Regardless of our thoughts, our skin color, or the nations we have invented later on, we should not forget that we are all members of a large group of animals. And what distinguishes us from another person is not our skin color, but our brain. Try to improve it. My name is Kuya Sinet. Thank you for watching.